Here we go. Ito na yung ating lobster balls. I-air fry natin siya. Lagyan na natin siya sa bucket ng air fryer. And then, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel and feel free to comment and also watch my other recipes. Before natin isalang sa air fryer, isprayan natin ng konting olive oil. Ayan. First 10 minutes. And then 200 degrees Celsius. Okay. Yes, it's done. First 10 minutes. Take a look na natin. Ayan. Oh, golden na siya. This time, i-flip natin siya. Ang ganda niya, no? It's beautiful. So many balls. Alright. Ito yung ating lobster balls. Flip natin siya and then spray natin uli ng a little bit of oil. Na-flip na natin. Kailangan kasi medyo pantay. If you notice, medyo nag-expand yung yung balls natin and then medyo lumiliit siya ulit. Ang cute tingnan. Spray natin sila konti. Yan. And then add some black pepper para pampalasa, pampabango, and stuff. And let's add some dried basil, pampabango. Yan. I-air fry natin ulit for another 5 minutes for total of 15 minutes. O, diba? Ayan. 5 minutes. Yes! It's ready! Yummy! OMG, this is our lobster ball. O, di ba? Parang siyang takoyaki, pero it looks nice talaga. Smells good, ha? So, I hope everybody may natutunan tayo sa vlog natin this time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell and feel free to comment. Ngayon, ipe-prepare na natin siya. Okay? Siyempre, meron tayong sauce. Any sauce naman, kung mahilig kayo sa suka or mga sweet chili sauce, is pwedeng-pwede yan. Okay?